Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back.
Hey, how's it going? So we're going to go over kind of a demon face. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, and let's get started, okay? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull a line over here and over here, more kind of the furrowing of the brows. It's kind of angry. Pulling up. I'm going to go over here also, pulling up, kind of wiggling up. Line over here. Line over here, downward over here, just kind of finding the eyes right there. Circle, right there for kind of the people and iris together. Find it a little bit bigger. We can grow them a little bit bigger. Out over here, down. Out over here, down. That's kind of the bridge of the nose. Downward over here for the tip of the nose. Pulling up over here for the wing of the nostril. Pulling up over here for the wing of the nostril. Line over here for the edge of the smile. It's going to be pretty high. Line down here for kind of the top of that smile. Downward, curve underneath, up. Gonna go over here now on the side, over here now on the side, and I'm gonna kind of fill in the sides there, right, to give it some darkness there. Just kind of give it some dimension and give it some kind of weight to the drawing. What I want you to do is I want you to hit the subscribe if you like learning how to draw Halloween stuff. We are the biggest Halloween drawing tutorial place on YouTube. Literally there's no bigger library for Halloween drawing tutorials, and it keeps growing, and I keep adding different stuff, keep adding different ways to draw stuff. So absolutely hit the subscribe, because not only is it good for this month because I'm gonna be posting during the month, it's great for next year. So next year when you're like, what was the name of that channel, doesn't matter, because you're already going to see little videos here and there on your feed for it. So absolutely do that. I'm gonna go over here and I'm drawing kind of a zigzag right here. Teeth. I'm gonna go downward here, curve underneath, pull up. Right on. Back up here for kind of the anger of the face. And remember, this is just the face, so let's go over here, focus more on the kind of details of the face. I'm drawing a thin line there, back into the eye. Line right here, back into the eye. Pulling up, pulling up. Curve over here. Maybe a line over here on the outside of the eyes. You could go over here from the nostril, line here, and kind of like it kind of ties together when they smile. You can kind of draw a line like the laugh line, but you don't have to draw the entire laugh line because it's going to age it too much. Gonna go over here downward. If you want to learn how to draw in general, by the way, I can teach you the beginner drawing lesson stuff. All of that stuff is I think incredibly easy. Let's just say you have shaky hands. I can get rid of your shaky hands in like 3 weeks. I'm not joking. Go to sketchingeasy.com. Sketchingeasy.com. Click the beginner lesson. That is, you just click the dragon, and then boom, it's going to take you to beginner lesson right there. And it's going to teach you how to get rid of your shaky hand. I kind of want everybody to be able to draw that wants to draw, so you don't have to be gifted, you don't have to be born with it. It's something that you practice over time. I started drawing myself at like 19 years old, so I mean, you don't have to be super young to do it, but it helps for sure. It was a real struggle for me, but it helps a lot if you're younger when you start this stuff out. But you don't have to. Like I said, you can be 70 and click on that thing and it'll get rid of your shaky hands. I'm not kidding about that. In a few weeks. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here, here. Alright. Just kind of throwing these lines over here because the madder that face looks, right, the more little scrunchiness there's going to be in that face. Line over here, same thing, just kind of throwing a little scrunchiness, but they're all relatively thin lines. Because if they get thicker, it's just going to get like harder and harder. Line over here, let's say under like the chin or something. Line over here from the side of the face. Again, some kind of folding there because there's that kind of devious smile going on. Is there anything that I haven't drawn on this channel that you want me to? Like, let me know. I'll make a tutorial about it. And it'll be like 5 to 10 minutes. But you gotta let me know, because then it's gonna really give me a good idea of like what to add to the channel and what to kind of you know, infuse the channel with. Line over here for maybe we could draw the eyelids right there. Gives it a different look though, I can tell. Gives a little bit of a lazier look. I don't know if I like that. And a lot of this is going to be toying around with shapes. Right? You're doing that and that. Curl over here for kind of the crow's feet. Crow's feet. Line over here, line over here. And that's mostly it. Anything else I add will be just little thin, wispy, disconnected lines. Or you can kind of draw on the teeth here. Alright, you can always draw a little bit extra, like dark over here below the nose, because there's shadow. The shadow is going to follow the light, right? The light source is always going to come from up to down, so it's always going to give it a little bit of shadow here below, or major shadow, depending on what angle you're drawing it from. But thank you so much, I appreciate it. Check out, pick up a sticker if you have not. Pick up a sticker right now. That's going to make your life a lot better. Those stickers are only around for this year, and that's it. I'm not putting up next year. Go pick one up now. Put it on your binder, your folder. I have them all over the place. I have it on my laptop too. So if you're big on Halloween like I am, absolutely pick one up. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.